Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. We're a 19th year builder of the Access Point, patented Access Point heat exchangers, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. So if you have a TCF Chief, bring it down here and we'll put in one of the best heaters you'll ever find. Here is a situation where we got an overpriced garage built looking unit that cannot do high pressure, where everything is moving to tile. Why would you want to buy something with hoses flopping off on the side? Just the whole thing is so far up that you don't want to stop short, making sure that thing is bolted down. They want $26,000 for it versus something really beautiful. The 47XL with its high pressured system can get up to $3,000. If you get anything over $1,000, you will burst those pipes. Those weak copper pipes on the 3HT or the 4HT Little Giant will definitely give you a big problem. Not to mention the possibilities of explosions and burnouts, and you can see a Judson to the left there that's all fully burned out. Don't make the mistake of buying this unit here that's incapable of high pressure, okay? And it's also very dangerous. Propane is very expensive these days. Get some free heat. And our Access Point heat exchangers have been proven in the industry. Check out our testimonies. There are miles and miles long of testimonials, videos. You can see how nice and hot these heaters get. You will not be dissatisfied. I'm telling you that right now. The Blue Baron or the Access Point heat exchanger will be the best decision that you ever make. Okay, so we're here to support the industry. We also sell to John Donne for the ProChem aftermarkets. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. I look forward to hearing from you. We're also open on weekends as well. Thank you.